Spring is in the air, and that means we can look forward to colorful blossoms and new adventures and some great food as we wake up to wellness with fresh, nutritious recipes from the kitchen of registered dietitian Sue Mah. Good morning, Sue.
Good morning, Bob. Happy spring, hey? There's just something about spring that puts us in a good mood. It gives us a positive state of well-being, and I like to call it an orange state of mind. Um,
Orange, you glad it's spring? Yeah, so you've got Florida orange juice recipes.
Yeah, today I'm partnering with Florida Orange Juice to show off two delicious recipes that use orange juice. It's actually the original wellness drink because a serving is an excellent source of vitamin C, and it's also a source of folate and potassium.
Jam-packed full of goodness. Now, I know, like everything else in inflation these days, grocery prices are going through the roof, and I guess there were some production problems with the Florida orange crop. So how does it store? Should we be like maybe getting some extra now before we see a price bump?
You know what? The best before date is usually quite far out. So if you see it in the store and if you want to stock up, go ahead and do so. And you can do that even with other foods like canned foods or even frozen foods. They have a long shelf life too. So you know what? I was at the grocery store yesterday and I noticed a few items were missing. So I just stocked up on the staples that I usually have, like orange juice, like canned beans, and like frozen corn. Those are really my staples.
Yeah. Now, how do orange juice and pancakes go together?
Well, let's talk about this recipe, fluffy orange pancakes. And do you have the reel so I can show you how to make the recipe?
Okay.
All right, so we're going to start off with my fluffy orange pancakes. We've got an egg, some milk. You're going to whisk that together. Then we're going to add some orange juice, which contains hesperidin. And that's a flavonoid or a plant compound that has antioxidant activity that can help support our heart health. So that's where the orange juice comes in. Some melted butter. Then I'm going to add some vanilla extract, that orange zest. Give it a whisk. Add your dry ingredients. And then you just cook it in a skillet for about 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. Flip it over. These beautiful golden brown pancakes that are absolutely delicious for breakfast or even for brunch on Mother's Day.
I'm going to try that. That looks super yum.
So delicious. I hope you'll enjoy them.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure I will. What's next?
Shrimp quinoa bowls. I'm all about bowls because they're so delicious to make. So we'll show the reel again and I'll walk you through how to make the recipe. We're going to start off with orange juice again, 100% orange juice, no added sugar, tastes great. It's going to add so much flavor to the recipe. And the vitamin C in orange juice will help your body better absorb the iron from quinoa. We added some hot sauce, some honey, a bit of soy sauce, a little bit of oil, lime juice. Give that a whisk. Now that's the marinade for the shrimp, and it's also the dressing. So you let that sit, the marinade sit for about 15 minutes, cook it up, and then create your bowl. I've added avocado, cucumber, orange peppers, cilantro, sesame seeds. It's absolutely delicious.
Wow, I bet the possibilities are endless with the orange juice that we don't think about throwing it into recipes.
Well, you know what? And that's why it's so versatile because, you know, many of us drink orange juice in the morning or take it with their vitamins, whatever, but you can cook with it, just like I've done today with my fluffy orange pancakes, shrimp quinoa bowl. You can find these recipes on my website, nutritionsolutions.ca, and I'm going to be posting them too on my Instagram, which is @SueMahRD.
Fantastic. And we'll link all that at chch.com as well. And thanks for joining us this morning from your beautiful kitchen. But I should mention, so Monday we're in our brand new studios on CHCH and not ready yet, but oh, Sue, when you see our new kitchen, and of course it's an open door invite for you to come see us as soon as that opens up.
I can't wait to see you again and enjoy these delicious recipes in person with you.
No kidding. Yeah, back to some kind of normal. Hey, good to see you. Have a great weekend, Sue.
Happy spring. Bye.
Yes, happy spring.